What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today I want to show you how to make $100 per day on YouTube with no subscribers. Now, here's the problem that most people have when it comes to YouTube. I don't have any subscribers. What do I do? I'm getting no views. What do I do? Well, I'm going to show you what you can do. And the best part about this is anybody can do it. Doesn't matter how many subscribers you want to have, what your goal is. You want 100, 1,000, a million subscribers, it doesn't matter. Everybody starts with zero and you can start making money right now. So if you're ready, let's jump in the video. I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $100 per day on YouTube with no subscribers. So let's go. Now, one of the toughest parts about YouTube is coming up with the content to create the videos. Now, here's something that most people do. They come to their computer and they sit down and they look and they type in all the big YouTubers and what they're doing and how they're doing it, and they try to recreate the exact same videos. That does work, but when you're competing against the big dogs, the upper class, the people that have millions upon millions of subscribers, what happens is you don't make any money. You make no headway. I want to show you a way that actually works, all right? So one of the things that I kind of experienced recently is my wife and I had our third child. That was about 3 days ago. So now we have a bunch of baby and maternity products in our home. So one of the things I've been doing for the past day and a half is creating some videos on and content on baby stuff, okay? And so I'm gonna kind of show you what I've been doing and give you an idea of how it works. But the key is to find products inside your home, do a review on those products, put it onto YouTube, okay, and monetize it through Amazon affiliate, okay, as an Amazon affiliate or Amazon associate, whatever you want to call it. That is the easiest way to start making money. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's kind of hop into the video over into the computer, and I'm going to show you my screen and exactly how other people are doing this exact same thing and making money. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so look at this right here, okay? All I did right here, now I think I typed in best baby swing and put that into YouTube, and this is what popped up. There's a bunch of different videos, but I clicked on this one. Top 5 best baby swing of 2018. Look at this. This BB channel, this was published on December 8, 2017, okay? But they have currently, and I'm shooting this on August 30th, 2019, they currently have 805 subscribers. But this video got 176,000 views, okay? And look at this. There's a link to Amazon, another link to Amazon, another link to Amazon, another one. There's 5 links to Amazon right here. That if anybody watches this video, okay, they watch this video and they're like, oh, that's the one I want. I need that swing right there for my baby. And they go and click on it. Okay, this one's what, a Graco. It's probably this one right here. Yep, that's the one. Or this one. Yep, that's the one. I gotta buy it. They go over to Amazon, okay, and they hopefully buy it. Now, here's one that they have right here. This is actually one my wife and I have. It's called a Mamaroo. Now, here's the key. When you are selling anything on Amazon, you want to sell stuff with that's actually a little bit higher in price. Here's the reason why. Okay, this one's selling for $220 right here. Let me show you what that means. I believe you get 5% commission on anything you sell in the baby category. I'm not 100% sure, but say $220 and you get 5%. Okay, so I'd make $11 off this item. That's not that much. I'd have to sell 10 of these in order to make my $100 per day, okay? And you're probably thinking, that's a lot of work, which it is. You have to get 10 sales per day on this one item to make $100. That's quite a bit of work, right? Well, here's the thing. Let's say you have, 15 different videos, and each one gets 4 sales a day, okay? 15 videos, okay? Times 4 sales per day, you get 60 sales per day, okay? Now that's a decent amount of sales. If you want to make $100 and you get 60 sales per day, you need to average $1.66, okay, per for your commission per day, okay. per commission, per day, pretty much per sale. $1.66. Okay, it's all simple math. Okay, now let's look at another one. This one right here, a DIY nursing tank top. Now, my wife, we went out and bought a bunch of these different nursing tank tops. I got a whole stack of them. Here's just two of them, two different colors. This right here, it's a great tank top. But if you don't have the money to pay $30, $40, $50 for a tank top, it's understandable. You can make your own. So this person right here, DIY nursing tank top. This person currently has, and this was done 6 years ago, but 472 subscribers, and there's over 4,000 views. So not a lot of views. But she's also doing a DIY nursing tank top. So it's not like best nursing tank top of 2019 or 2020 or something like that. Okay? And if you are struggling to create content, you're struggling to come up with keywords, you're struggling to come up with ways to monetize your channel, I'll put a link down in the description box below. You can go check it out. But it'll just take you to my affiliate marketing on YouTube course. I'll put a discount code in there as well. So instead of paying the full $67, I'll drop it all the way down to $20. So go and get that today if you're interested in it. But this one right here, okay, 4,000 views. Let's say 10 people bought. Say if 10 people bought this one right here for $39. Okay, let's go and do the math. 39 times 5%. Okay, let's say 10 people bought it. We don't need a calculator for that, but I'll do it anyway. It's about 20 bucks. $19.50 is what you would get in your commission for selling 10 of these. Not bad, right? It's just one video. Took, how long was this video? 4 minutes? 6 minutes? Okay, 6 minutes, and she made $20. That's over the course of many years. So it's not great, but it's still something. Okay, so look at this one. Best breast pumps 2019. Okay, top 8 breast pumps review. Now here's the cool part. Now one of the things that this video is doing is she's actually in here. She has pictures. She's talking. She's moving around. She's doing all this stuff. Great, but look at this video here. These are pictures. These are just pictures. This person doesn't actually have the product. Okay, this person right here, they probably don't even have this product. Now this is the actual breast pump that my wife and I think we have 3 of them, or technically she does. I don't use them. I can't do that. Anyway, but so we have 3 of these. We have 2 Medela breast pumps, and then we have some handheld ones. Now, so we have a bunch, which is great, but if we were to buy these off of a link, let's say we watch this video and like, oh yeah, that's the perfect one, need that one, yep, come down here, yeah, that's the one I want, click on it, go and buy it, okay? And then I head over to Amazon and see, oh, it's $160. Oh man, do I want to pay $160? Yep, that's the best one. It said right here, that's the best one right here. So yeah, I'm gonna go buy it. So you go click over here and you buy it. Okay, let's do the exact same thing. $160 times 5%. I make $8 per sale. $8 from one sale. Okay, so that means, what is that, 12, 13 sales later, I'll make $100. Still not bad. That's another video. Okay, best breast pumps, nursing tank tops, okay, best swing. All these things combined. Let's say someone watches every single one of these videos and buys every single product I recommend. Okay, that would be what was this, $11, and this one I make like $2, and then this one I'll make $8, so I'm gonna make $21 if they bought these 3 things. That's not bad. $21 from one person watching multiple videos, buying multiple products. That's the goal here, okay? And that's where most people struggle, because they think, oh, Amazon doesn't pay very much. Well, they don't. They pay, 5 up to like 8%, which isn't a crazy amount of money, but in the end, you gotta understand, when somebody comes here to Amazon and buys this product, but they also see, oh, that's a great product. Let me back up. That's a great product. However, I also need some other things. I also need this bag, okay, a $40 bag. I also need these different attachments, $60. Maybe I need this, breast pump as well. All right, I'm gonna get that one as well. And then maybe I need some, what are these? Some mattress and toddler bed toppers. All right, great. I'm gonna get that one. And I'm gonna get all the stuff. And so it really just starts adding up, which in the end, you start making more and more money. Alright guys, so let me give you a couple tips, okay? Tip number 1, when creating any type of content on YouTube, what you need to do is look and see what is working for other people. This is where this is one of the reasons why I recommend taking my course. I show you exactly how to do it, exactly what I do, and what works for other people as well. Now, if you take the course, great. Again, use the link down in the description box below. Take it from $67 all the way down to $20, so you'll save $47 bucks. So go and get it. Now, here's one of the tips I got, okay, that's extremely important. When you create a video, don't just create one video on the best baby swings or the best toaster or the best microwave oven, okay? Don't just create one video. Create a video on the best, let's say I do one on the best baby swings of 2019. In 2020, I'm also going to do the best baby swings of 2020. I'm also going to do the best Graco baby swings, the best Mamaru covers. I'm going to expand a little bit, because what happens is, even though somebody's looking for a swing, or somebody's looking for a breast pump or a toaster or a microwave oven or a wireless doorbell, does not mean that's all they want. That's usually just the bottom. They have all these other items, these other layers that they need to buy, that they need to cover. But if they don't know where to buy them, they don't know that, oh, you created that exact video, the exact one I needed, so I'm going to go and buy it through your link, you're never going to make any more money. So what I recommend is create additional videos on a similar topic, but also create additional videos on other topics. I'm not saying go and create one on the best baby swings and then go create one on the best stockbroker to use. Okay, those are completely different. But what I'm saying is the best baby swing, but also the best crib mattress. They're in the same niche, but they're different. So people might buy the best swing, but they also want the best mattress, the best crib, the best baby nightlight. There's a bunch of stuff that they're gonna look for. Okay, I know this because it's actually what I'm doing.